One of the frequently asked questions I always get is, I have a Facebook page. I don't like it. I no longer use it. I created so many when I was starting out because I didn't know how to create a Facebook business page. Now I have like 5 or 3. How do I delete these other Facebook business pages? Because I no longer need them. Or I started a business side hustle, but now I no longer need this Facebook page. I want to create another one, but I don't want to confuse myself with the different pages. How do I delete this account? That is what we are going to check on today. It is with these simple steps. Hi, my name is Victoria. Welcome to the Marketing Matters channel. And today I'm going to take you on a simple step on how you can delete your Facebook business page. So log into your Facebook profile and then you go to your Facebook business page. And on your left, select settings. When you select settings, you scroll down to access and control. Click on the access and control. Do you want to deactivate this page? Meaning that maybe I don't want to use it right now, but I'll come back to it later. Maybe I'll want to use it in the future. So you deactivate it. Or I want to delete this page. Now, deleting the page is when you no longer need this page. You don't want to access it because maybe you have different pages that you had created that are similar to this. So I want to delete it completely. So you click continue and then you can select continue. I want to permanently delete. If you don't want to permanently delete, then you deactivate. So you select continue. Now, once you select continue, you will get 14 days notification just in case you click the delete button by mistake. But if not, after 14 days, your page will be deleted.